Hey guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. So right now it is 5:45 in the evening and I was just working on something. I was sketching and it just got me to think of a really nice topic that I could talk to you guys about. So in case you guys are wondering, I am sketching right now and we in our team, we always try to create the most luxurious designs for our clients. So that is actually what inspired me to create a video on this topic. But before we get into the actual video, here is us. So today's topic, as you must have guessed by the title, is 10 of the most luxurious apartments around the world. And while I'm finishing my sketch, we are going to talk about all these 10 apartments. So we're going to give you a little brief about each apartment and also there'll be lots and lots of pictures in the video so that you get to see the actual apartments. Of course, a lot of the pictures are going to be concept images and not the actual pictures, but you'll get a good idea of what I mean. So, number one on our luxurious apartments is the One Hyde Park, which is located in London. Basically, this property is a mixture of residential and retail, and I'm going to tell you a little bit about why it's so luxurious. The retail units which are a part of the property include companies like Rolex, McLaren Automotive and the Abu Dhabi Islamic Bank. That is why. So apart from these retail properties, there are 86 residential apartments in the building, and all of them are owned by some really influential people throughout the world. And each apartment sells off for around 20 million pounds each apartment. So as we are checking the costs right now, a one bedroom apartment is around 990 square feet and it is around 5,600 pounds. So similarly, a 3-bedroom apartment over there is around 4,445 square feet and it costs around 6,300 pounds per square feet. So I have done my own little research on this property and I figured out a lot of stuff, not a lot of stuff, but the important stuff like what kind of amenities they have and what kind of security do they have. So in amenities, they have a panic room for all their guests. They have a stainless steel swimming pool. They of course have an entertainment room, like a media room. I personally thought that the security is the most fascinating part of their property. They have bulletproof glass and they have bowler hatted guards who are trained by British Special Forces. I mean, it can't get better than that. So that was One Hyde Park, which is located in London and which sells off at around $9,906 per square feet. Number 2, 432 Park Avenue, New York. So this one being just a little under our One Hyde Park, this is for $6,742 per square feet and it has a penthouse which is for $95 million. So our 432 Park Avenue is a residential skyscraper which is located at 57th Street and Park Avenue at Middletown, Manhattan, New York City, and it's just overlooking Central Park, so it's a wonderful location to begin with. So this is a 1,396 foot tall, which means it's 425.5 meters long tower, and it features 125 apartments as well as amenities such as private restaurants for residents. So this building is basically known as the Billionaires Row. That's what it's known as, because it's one of the most elite buildings in the city, and it's priced like that. Like, look at the prices and look at the location. Completely deserves that. So it is said that at the time of completion, the 432 Park Avenue was considered to be the third tallest building in the United States and the tallest residential building in the world. So basically it is a 85-story building. So there's one mezzanine and there are 84 stories on top. That's how tall it is. And there are 5 in total, 5 2-story windbreakers. So they are like enclosed spaces, and they are, I think, spaced every 14 floors. After every 14 floors from the top, there are 5 windbreakers, and they are said to reduce the wind load of the entire structure. So the building's exterior is a lattice of pour-in-place cement, which is made from Portland's white cement, and it forms these 10-foot square apertures. So the smallest apartment in that building is around 351 square feet. It's like a little studio, whereas the largest unit is 8,255 square feet. It's a 6-bedroom, 7-bathroom penthouse on floor 96 with its own library. So a little fun fact about the interiors is that the designer of the building, initially he put these really thick frames around the windows because he wanted to highlight the view. You know, the view was of Central Park, so he wanted to highlight that view, so he put up these thick frames, and later on the residents kind of removed those frames because they thought that the frames were taking up a lot of the interior space. All the apartments have a 12-foot height of their ceilings. They have golf training facilities, they have private dining and screening rooms as well. The apartment on the 12th floor, which is 8,500 square feet, has its own private restaurant of around 5,000 square feet. It has its private terrace, and it has its own chef, who is a Michelin star chef since 2016. And apart from all these amazing facts about the property, you get a wine cellar in the building. There is a 75-foot long indoor swimming pool. There is a spa and fitness center and all that good stuff available in the property. Moving on to number 3 on our list is called 157, which is located again in New York. Here the average price per square feet is around $6,000 US, with a penthouse of around $90 million. The 157 building has 95 condos, and it has these amazing amenities like an arts and craft 8-layer room. It has a pet grooming room and all that cool stuff. Of course, amenities like yoga studios, fitness centers, spas, screening rooms are all no strangers to this building at all. This is a 75-story, and it's, I think, 1,005 feet tall. It's a super tall skyscraper at 157 West 57th Street between 6th and 7th Avenues in the Midtown neighborhood of Manhattan, New York. The base of the building has a Park Hyatt hotel with around 210 rooms, and I think it has a ballroom, a spa, a fitness center, and all those amenities once again. When the 157 was completed, Each of the apartments on the top 11th floor were occupying one floor each. Like there was one apartment on each floor, and each apartment of those 11 apartments was going off for around $50 million. I think the best part of the building is the exteriors. It is made of a lot of dark and light glass on the building's exteriors. It creates these kind of vertical stripes, and it also manipulates sunlight and maximizes views. So I think that's a really interesting feature of the exterior of the building. Also, when you notice this picture of the building's exteriors, you're going to notice a lot of rippled canopies, a lot of curved tops, scoops, accentuated verticality. You're going to notice a lot of interesting features of the building exteriors. Number 4 is South Bank Tower in London. Now this property is quite lesser than the first 3 that we saw. It's priced at around $3,300 per square feet, whereas the penthouse still remains $90 million US. Some facts about the building: it is a 41-storied building with about 191 luxury apartments. It is built on the River Thames and it overlooks the infamous London Eye. We all know that. Its penthouse is actually a AAA and it has 2 roof terraces. It is a 111 meters tall building, that's around 364 feet tall, and it was completed in 1972. Some recent news announces that the tower will be partnering with Zaha Hadid Architects for the design of their lobby, which is super exciting because she was one of my personal favorites. I simply love the way she designs all her structures. So it's going to be really exciting to see how the lobby will turn out. It was supposed to commence in 2020 last year, but because of the lockdown, it's still a little unclear on that. But we'll hear more about the main building itself. So the new designs will be, of course, incorporating the existing color and the feel of the building, the originality of the building, but the tower lobby is expressive of polished marble and concrete together with walnut and leather. So it's a beautiful combination of a lot of beautiful materials. Number 5 in our list is Tour Odeon from Monaco. I think the most beautiful fact about this building is that it has over 70 luxury apartments, and all of the windows in the apartments are floor to ceiling. It's overlooking the Mediterranean Sea, so you can just imagine the view. It's going to be breathtaking. So this building is about 550 feet tall. It's one of the tallest buildings in Monaco. The Sky Penthouse, which is the top floor, it occupies actually the top 5 floors of the building, and it also has its own private infinity pool. Now the prices of these apartments go back up to $8,900 per square feet. But the penthouse in this property goes off at $65.7 million US. Based on the pictures, you're already going to see why it's priced at that. But apart from that, there are a few other elements of the building, of the property, that allow it to be that luxurious. So basically it is a 550 feet tall tower, and it's considered to be one of the tallest buildings in Monaco, which is amazing. This particular building overlooks the Mediterranean Sea, so you can imagine how gorgeous the view is. Apart from that, the most beautiful feature I think about this is that all the apartments have floor to ceiling windows, and along with that, when you have a view of the Mediterranean Sea, it's going to look gorgeous any time of the day. Now the top penthouse, which is at the very top of the building, it is known as a sky penthouse, and it occupies almost 5 floors of the building, like the top 5 floors, and it has its own infinity pool. So what can be better than that? So from the pictures itself, you can see how beautiful this property is. Like, you just can't get over that view any time of the year. And moving on to number 6, we are number 6 in our list is the Opus Hong Kong, of course located in Hong Kong. Now you can't beat this, you guys. This property is costing around $10,740 per square feet. So an interesting fact about this building is that the 8th floor apartment of this building is known to be one of the most expensive apartments in the whole city. So we're going to be attaching a lot of pictures of whatever we can find of this apartment, so you get to see how exactly luxurious it is. But apart from that, I'll tell you why. Because it also has rainwater recycling for irrigation, and it has electric car charge systems. So that's a really amazing fact about this property. So basically this is a 12-story building which goes up to 139.8 feet high. It's basically a high-rise residential building which was completed in 2012. It's located at 53 Stubbs Road on Victoria Peak in Hong Kong. Basically, this project was designed by a very famous architect whose name is Frank Gehry. To all our fellow designers and architects, I'm sure you've heard this name. He was the one who came up with the whole concept, and he did it in collaboration with a couple of more people. So like I mentioned earlier, the property consists of 12 residential apartments, all ranging between 6,000 to 6,900 square feet each. They all including one apartment, or I think a couple of apartments which have their own swimming pools and gyms and all those different amenities. The 8th floor apartment, which was known to be the most expensive apartment in the city, was sold at a whopping 470 million Hong Kong dollars. I think it was back in 2012 that it was sold. Moving swiftly to our number 7 in our list is 56 Leonard in New York. The apartments here were sold at $6,000 per square feet, and the penthouse of this building was sold at $47 million. So not bad. What sets it apart from, I think, a lot of other buildings is that it is basically a building that's almost entirely made of cantilevered glass. So you can see by the pictures that we're going to put up how beautiful the exterior looks. Now another amazing fact is that the penthouse that was sold at $47 million was considered to be one of the most expensive residences sold in Manhattan. Amenities of this property include a 25-seater cinema hall and a 75-foot lap pool inside the building for all the residents. Another fun name for this building is the Jenga Tower. It's known as the Jenga Tower. It was also called that a while ago because if you look at the exterior of the building as to how it looks, it would remind you of a Jenga Tower, which is really neat. It is a 821 feet tall building. It's a skyscraper in Manhattan. Although this building is considered to be a luxury building, I think it does have a pretty good range at how the apartments are sold. So basically it has 145 residences. They are all priced between 3.5 million to 50 million US dollars. The residences range from sizes in 1400 to 6400 square feet. Rolling into number 8 on our list is Claremont Residence, located in Singapore. The apartments here all go out at around $2,300 US per square feet, and the penthouse in this building as well was sold at around $47 million. There are in total 180 apartments in the building, including a 14,500 square feet penthouse apartment. This building, just like the others that we spoke about, has a very large array of facilities. A lot of them include a 50-foot lap pool, a barbecue area, a sky gym, pool deck, function rooms, barbecue area, dining lounge, wine rooms, all that good stuff. Now, when I say a vast range of apartments, this is what I mean. So the smallest apartment in the building, which is a 1-bedroom, 1 BHK almost, ranges around 614 to I think 635 square feet in total, whereas the biggest apartment in the property, which is I think a super penthouse, AAA, it's like a AAA with a private pool, that goes to around 14,500 square feet. So you can see the very vast range of apartments in the building. Number 9 is called 1000 Museum Condos, which is located in Miami. The average price per square foot in this building is around $1,100 US per square feet, and the penthouse goes at $45 million US. Pretty affordable, right? I think we can do it. This property, just like the other amazing properties that we discussed, it has 2 floors of wellness and spa facilities. It has a sunbathing deck, and it also has a helipad. Again, this property has been designed by my favorite, Zaha Hadid Architects. So you're gonna know how the forms are going to flow. You're going to see a lot of those curves and exaggerated forms with this property. I think the best part about this property is that from the living rooms and the bedrooms, you can see the Atlantic Ocean views. Also, you can see the Miami skyline. And the beautiful part about this is that all the bedrooms and the living rooms have been arranged to according to an east-west flow, so that you don't miss these views, these panoramic views. Last but definitely not the least at all is number 10 on our list, which is 1 Madison, located in New York. The average price per square foot in this apartment is around $5,000 US, and the penthouse goes at $43 million US. A good adjective I think for this building is slender. It's a very slender looking 60-story building, which is made of glass, and it provides you with all the amenities just like all the other buildings, like pools, gyms, wellness centers, etc. It's actually a really fancy building because it has a white gloved doorman, a concierge, and a elevator operator. We hope you really enjoyed this video. We really enjoyed making it. It was fun to do all that research on all these beautiful luxury apartments all around the world. Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any further videos from us. Until then, bye bye.